Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Okay, so let's begin. So basically the process is really easy. I'm sure all of you can handle it. And in the beginning I will tell you that there are also two options how you can restart this phone. So the first one is the simplest one. We only need to hold the power button until we launch the power menu. Now all you need to do is to tap on restart, tap again, and then your screen will go black, and in a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and then ready to use again. Okay, but the second option, which is recommended when the phone is frozen and unresponsive, is called the forced restart. To perform this, we need to use the two button combination, which is by holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's keep on holding until the screen goes black. Okay, now we can release our fingers, and just like in the first case, in a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on again and ready to use. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.